तो अगर मैं थका हुआ लग रहा हूँ तो आई एम सॉरी। तो ये इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियो तो शिफ्ट से आया था तो मैंने सोचा बना लूँ आपके लिए। तो हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो लोग? मेरा नाम प्रियांशु गुप्ता है। वेलकम टू प्रियांशु ब्लॉग्स यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज की वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाली है। तो ये वीडियो है फ्रॉड कॉल, लाइव रिकॉर्डिंग हुई है। तो मेरे सब्सक्राइबर ने मुझे भेजी है। तो फॉर्चुनेटली मैंने पहले भी वीडियो बना ली थी कि आपको कॉल आती है, इमिग्रेशन डिपार्टमेंट ऐसे समथिंग कहते हैं, या पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट, या इन्वेस्टिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट। ठीक है, ये 3 डिपार्टमेंट होते हैं। कहते हैं भैया आपने कुछ किया है, आपका सिन का मिसयूज़ हुआ है, तो आप हमें बस आप कुछ नहीं करना, आपको बस अपने सिन का 3 डिजिट दे देना है। पर वो ऐसी चीज़ नहीं करनी, क्योंकि वो कभी कॉल नहीं करते। वो इमिग्रेशन वाले कभी कॉल नहीं करेंगे। इमिग्रेशन हो गया या कोई भी ऐसे हो गया, ठीक है। और वो कभी सिन नंबर नहीं मांगेगी, क्योंकि यार अगर वो सिन नंबर मांगेंगे भैया, उनके पास सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन पड़ी रहती है, क्लाइंट की सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है, तो उन्हें मांगने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं होती। तो ये ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग पूरी सुनना, ठीक है। ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग अच्छी लगी तो मतलब आपको पता लग जाए कि बंदा क्या बोलता है। और वो इंडियन ही लग रहा था मुझे भी, मैं ऑडियो सुन रहा था। तो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे, इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगे, तो लाइक कर देना। और मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है 7 जुलाई को, तो 7 जुलाई से पहले 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स पूरे होने चाहिए। मेरे लिए छोटा सा गिफ्ट आपकी तरफ से, मेरे लिए छोटा सा गिफ्ट हाँ, आपने मुझे गिफ्ट देना है छोटा सा, बड़ा सही, मेरे लिए बड़ा गिफ्ट है, ठीक है। 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स पूरे करने, ठीक है। तो बिना किसी टाइम वेस्ट के आप ये ऑडियो सुनिए, ठीक है।
Nothing, sir. I have just finding my file. Yeah. What's your name, sir?
Okay. My name is Officer Stephen Shah,
Yeah.
and I am a senior officer of Investigation Department of Service Canada, and I have your file in front of me, and I can see that there are several allegations found under your name, and there is an arrest warrant issued under your name. Do you know about that?
What? I don't do
Okay.
anything like.
Yeah, I know you've done nothing wrong. Okay, so first of all, you grab a pen and piece of paper and write down my batch ID number as well my name.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. Are you ready?
Wait a minute, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir. I grabbed the paper.
All right. Are you ready with pen and piece of paper?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
All right. So my name is Officer Stephen Shaw.
Officer. Can
Stephen
you
Shaw.
spell your name?
Stephen Steven and last name is Shaw Shaw.
Yeah.
And my batch ID number is 417 J as in John
417.
2744. 417 J like a junior.
Junior J.
2744.
417 J 2744.
Is that right, Mohit? So, Mr. Mohit, now there are legal enforcement agencies involved in this case. So, before we go ahead and give out the complete information to you, I need you to verify me your last 3 digits of your social insurance number so I can confirm that the details are given out to the right person.
As I think it's not great. It's not good to tell you my SIN number. I think. Service
Okay,
Canada.
so can you verify me your date of birth as well?
Yeah.
Can you verify me your date of birth as well?
Yeah. It's 8 September 2000.
All right. Okay, so Mr. Mohit, now, before we proceed further, I would like to notify you that these lines are getting recorded and monitored by 4 major federal agencies. First one is Department of Justice Canada. Second one is Canada Revenue Agency. Third one is Financial Crimes Unit. And fourth one is Bureau of Narcotics. So please make sure that you be specific and honest whatever you speak over this recorded call. And one last thing, do not interrupt me while I am reading out the information about your case. I will give you a fair enough chance to speak once I am done. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Okay.
So, as per the investigation report, under your social insurance number, there are 7 allegations found under your name, and your social insurance number was misused in the province of Montreal. Service Canada and law enforcement agencies have found 25 bank accounts opened and used fraudulent using your social insurance number to commit a fraud of more than $10 million. And these accounts were used to transfer and receive funds for illegal local and international bank wire transfer indulge in numerous criminal activities like money laundering, drug trafficking, and for Canada Revenue Agency tax scams all over Canada. So, Mr. Moit, are you the owner of all these 25 bank accounts? Just answer in yes or no.
No, sir. I have only
So, how
account.
many bank accounts? Okay.
I have only one account. That's in
Okay.
Scotia Bank, and in India.
All right.
I belongs to India. I'm
Okay.
an international student. I have only
Okay.
2 accounts in India. That's my personal
Okay.
account.
Don't worry. Don't
And
worry. Don't worry. Okay. Listen to me. First of all, you have a Scotia Bank account in Canada, am I right?
yes, sir.
All right. So now, okay. Go. Okay. So, Mr. Moit, now just to differentiate the bank account you say you are not the owner of. So, can you tell me the approximately balance of this bank account? As we cannot take your account number or transit number over this recorded call, as we know it's against the law. So, can you tell me the approximately balance of this bank account so I can differentiate your bank account from the rest of 25 bank accounts?
Yeah, I will check. Wait a minute.
Sure.
Hello.
Yes. What is that?
Sir, it's 1992.59.
199.2
2.59. Yeah, it's $1,992 and $92.
Okay. And okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So, is that checking account, saving account?
it's a check-in.
Checking account. Do you have a saving account in each bank?
Actually, it's I have a student account. That is the account that I show you my balance. And in the same
Okay,
bank,
GSI account. Just
in the same bank,
GSI account. Okay.
in the same bank, I have a GIC account. That balance
Okay.
is near about $7,000. Yeah,
All right.
that I will. I have it. I consume it monthly. Bank will give
Okay.
me monthly that balance for a year that I submit from the India.
Okay.
It's my account. It's my balance.
All right. I know you have right now. Your access is $1,992.
Yeah,
You have right now. I'm right. All right. So
yeah.
I can also see over here. That there are 16 credit card issued under your name. So how do you own?
Sir, I have only one credit card that
Okay.
I activate in the
Okay.
in. I think it's in this month or in the previous month. Uh,
Okay.
even I don't use in a single time.
Okay. So
Yeah,
can you tell me name of credit card?
yeah. It's Visa.
Visa. Just Scotia Visa card.
Yeah, it's a black color Scotia Visa card.
Visa card. All right. So can you tell me the available balance of this card?
Actually, I have a limit of $1,000,
Okay.
and I don't use it at a single time.
Okay. You don't use your $1,000. I'm right.
Yeah, I have a zero balance right now, but I have a limit.
Yeah.
Means I don't use it.
Okay.
I don't use it till now.
Okay. So right now you have a $1,000 in your Visa card. I'm right.
Yeah, it's a limit. It's not in the card. If I want to purchase anything, I can redeem $1,000.
All right. I know. Okay. So listen to me very carefully.
Yes, sir.
Your social insurance number has been indulged in for numerous credit cards, debt, unsecured loans, car loans, and medical bills of $147,000, which are still pending on your name, and it demands a rigorous imprisonment of 30 years and penalty of $200,000. So, do you have any valid explanation to our finding of criminal activities against you and your social insurance number? Please answer yes or no.
Actually, I just gave my social insurance number only in one place that I am working
Okay.
in Tim Hortons.
Okay.
Apart
Okay.
from Tim Hortons, I never share my social insurance number to
All right.
anybody.
All right. Listen to me very carefully.
Yeah.
So once this case was brought on our notice by various law enforcement agencies involved like Canadian Security Intelligence Service, since then we have been keeping a close watch on you and even gone through your past records. So after this investigation from your past records, we believe that this might not have been done by you. Now, the reason why we called you before arresting you and before sending you any legal notice is only because we ascertain this heinous act of drug trafficking is being carried out by the criminals who are still at large, but we don't have any evidence and proof on their criminal activity. So, Mr. Mohit, right now you have two options there. You can choose one of them. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So option one is that these allegations are made under your social insurance number and we have complete evidence of the same. So you can accept this and face the legal actions under your name. And option two is that you can give me the number for your local police and let me talk to them and see if they can understand the situation that it's not done by you and give out a resolution option for the same. So which option choose, Mr. Mohit?
You can choose second one because I don't have I don't have that money to pay that.
Okay,
It's
so
very expensive.
okay, so can you tell me? Okay, I know. So can you tell me the number for your local police so I can talk to him and I told him you done nothing or you are an innocent person?
I think it's 911.
No, I just need the non-emergency number. Okay, so you go on Google and write down your address and then write down the number for your local police. All right?
Okay, sir. Wait a minute.
Sure. So, Mr. Mohit, you find out the number for your local police?
Yes, I'm finding. It's
Okay, you can do one thing.
695
695
2149.
2149.
Yeah.
Okay, these are 709 695 and 2149. I'm right?
Yes. Right.
All right. Let me check out first.
Yes, sir.
Or is the Royal Canadian Mounted Police? I'm right?
Pardon?
Is the RCMP number is the Royal Canadian Mounted Police? I'm right?
I don't know about that because my colleague gave me a small booklet in which there are lots of emergency number. I just find that number and from that.
Okay. So just give me one moment. I just call them from the line. So give me one moment, okay?
Yes, sir.
Hello, this is Officer Stephen Shaw from the Investigation Department of Service Canada. How are you doing today, sir? Yes, I'm doing good too. Can I talk to senior officer? Sure, I'll put on hold. Mr. Mohit, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I'm just on the call with them. Just in a hold, okay?
Yes, sir.
Hello, officer. How are you today? Can I have your name? Well, Officer Marshall, this is Officer Stephen Shaw from the Investigation Department of Service Canada. I have an accused person on the line with me. His name is Mr. Mohit. So, can I talk to him once? What? Okay. The law. Okay. Go ahead. Sure, sure. Okay. His warrant ID is 782624128. Well, Officer Marshal, we have been keeping a close eye on this person and we have found a case of identification theft. Here, somehow, someone overseas has been using PIN number which belongs to Mr. Mohit. In this situation, is there anything that can be done to recover the situation? I agree, officer, but there are no suspects found while keeping an eye on Mr. Mohit. So can you talk to him once and see if there is a solution to the situation? Sure. His cell phone number is 709-694-3066. 709-694-3066. Thank you, Officer Marshall. Have a nice day. Mr. Mohit, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Mohit, well, I just had a word with Officer Hemant Marshall from your local police station, and before going ahead and giving out any decision, he needs to have a word with you. So, he will be calling you up at any point. So, if you get a call from him, so please make sure you check the number. If it's from the local police number you gave me, only then pick up the call. All right?
Okay, sir.
Don't pick another call. If you're getting a same number call, then pick up the call. All right?
Yes, sir. Sure.
All right. He will call in next 2 or 3 minutes because that he just pull up your file.
Okay, sir.
All right. So stay connected with me next 2 or 3 minutes. All right?
Yes, sir. Sure.
All right. So if you're getting a call, so put him in hold and pick up the call. Don't hang up my line.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much. Mr. Mohit, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Mohit, don't place my call on hold, okay?
Okay, sir.
Right now. If you're getting a call to the officer, then you place my call on hold.
Okay. Yes, sir.
F7736.
S77.
That's my badge. It's a federal badge ID number.
Okay, can you please wait for a minute? I'm near the Service Canada office of Port Oaks.
Uh-huh.
So,
All right. So let me tell you, Mohit.
yes, sir.
We're calling from Service Canada from Vancouver, right?
Okay.
These are the main headquarters of the Service Canada.
Yeah,
If
but
at all, you
I
go
don't.
there, no information. Let me tell you. Let me complete.
Yes, sir.
We are calling from the headquarters of the Service Canada,
Yes,
and
sir.
they are in Vancouver. nearby it's an inquiry department. If at all you go there, no information will be found there because these cases are handled by the investigation department, not by the inquiry department. Right? Mohit, there is no need to worry about anything. We are here to help you out. I am staying online with you every time. Alright? What
Okay,
is the concern? I don't want you to be in trouble, so I'm just warning you. Right?
okay. But how can I believe you
Go
that?
ahead.
How can I believe that you are from Service Canada?
Mohit, I believe that you have a word with Officer Himesh Marshall from the police department, and you checked the number. Did you check the number before
Yeah,
receiving the
yeah.
call?
I checked the number, but it's a modern technology. Even I can call you from a
How
different
can
number.
how Mohit? How can it be possible? It can't
Yeah,
possible.
even I can call you from a different number.
Mohit, it can't be. It can not be possible because right now. All right. So Mohit, you are saying that you are not believing us, right?
Uh, I'm believing you, sir, but you know that it's a matter of
I
money.
totally understand your concern.
I
It's
listen a
the
lot
matter of
of.
money. It's not Mohit. It's not the matter of money. It's the matter to find out the real criminal behind all these frauds. Because these criminals are so clever that we can't get hold of it, and we need your cooperation to find out those real criminals. Right?
Yes, sir.
If at all you are just hesitating to safeguarding your funds, it blinks an eye on you that you are hesitating in safeguarding these funds in the government certified wallet, right?
Okay.
First of all, just reach to the parking lot of the store, do let me know, and then do let me know, all right?
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sure. Sure.
Mohit, how much time it is showing to reach the location? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, Mohit, how much time it is showing to reach to the location?
I'm in a mid. It will take another 10 minutes.
All right, no issues. Once you reach the parking lot, do let me know.
Yes, sir. Sure. Hello.
Yes, I'm here.
I'm in the parking lot of Canadian Tire right now.
Perfect. So I just received the facts from Office Marshal, and he has given me the details about the Safeguard Wallet voucher card, which is also known as Sephora gift card. And
Pardon?
why Sephora? I repeat that. I just had a word with Officer Himis Marshall, and he has given me the details about the Safeguard Wallet voucher cards, which is also known as Sephora gift cards. Now,
Kipola.
why Sephora? It's Sephora. Sephora. Sephora.
Sephora.
Sephora. Sephora. Right?
Sephora. Okay.
That's right. Now, why Sephora gift cards? Because it doesn't have a name on it and it is not associated with any social insurance number, right?
Okay.
So, what we are going to do is we are going to attach these gift cards into your new social insurance number. So,
Okay.
the moment you open your new bank account with your new social insurance number, these funds will get transferred to your new bank account. Is that clear with you?
Yes.
Tomorrow, two officers from the Service Canada will come at your doorstep to provide you the new social insurance number. And first of all, they will scan that barcode. First of all, just they verify that voucher cards, and then they will help you to open your new bank account and transfer this money into your new bank account. Is that clear with you?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So now listen to me very carefully. You have to buy 3 Sephora gift cards for $500 each, right?
Okay.
It will
500.
come upon total amount $500 each. The total would be around $1,500, right?
Yes, sir.
And you have to buy 4 of $100, right?
4 of 100. ठीक है. Okay, sir.
Perfect. You have to buy 3 Sephora gift cards for $500 each and 4 for $100 each,
Pardon?
right? I'm saying, I repeat that. You have to buy 3 Sephora gift cards for $500
500
each
and 4 400.
4 for $100. Perfect. You
Okay.
won't be getting any more than that. First, we need to show that you are innocent and cooperating, and you are doing your level best to help us to catch those culprits, so that at least we can hold your arrest warrant, right?
So due to this, I will not lose my money. Is that right?
So, listen, as I already told you,
Pardon? Hello. Hello.
सो गाइस, वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक करके जाना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके जाना। थैंक यू सो मच, लव यू ऑल, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, 10K सून।